Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the Hungryroot app is and how it's positioned. Hungryroot is a food and drink app that combines grocery delivery with recipe planning, offering personalized food recommendations based on user preferences, dietary needs, and health goals, as described on its official App Store listing. The app uses a system called SmartCart, which automatically suggests groceries, recipes, and supplements tailored to the user's inputs, according to the official description. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee app performance or user satisfaction, which can vary based on individual experience and updates. Users can customize their weekly deliveries by editing suggested items, skipping weeks, or adjusting selections before checkout, based on details provided by the developer. The app may help reduce time spent on meal planning and grocery shopping by automating recommendations and organizing weekly food selections. For users interested in healthier eating, this could be an option since the platform focuses on nutritious groceries and simple recipes designed for convenience. Hungryroot may include both ready-to-eat items and ingredients for quick meals, which can be combined with guided recipes provided through the platform. This app could be useful for people who want a structured yet flexible way to manage meals without traditional grocery trips or complex cooking routines. Some aspects, like how well recommendations match personal taste or dietary goals over time, are not fully confirmed and may vary depending on user input and usage patterns. Whether this app is worth using depends on individual needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this app or notice anything missing or outdated.